Hey everyone, did you know that a simple bowl of oats could be the game changer in your weight loss journey? Stick around to find out how. Oats are not just any breakfast food. They're packed with nutrients that can help you shed those extra pounds. Imagine starting your day with a meal that keeps you full, boosts your metabolism, and satisfies your sweet tooth, all without the guilt. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's dive into the magic. Oats are high in fiber, which means they help you stay full longer. That's less snacking and fewer cravings throughout the day. But here's the kicker. Oats also help stabilize your blood sugar levels, giving you steady energy and preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. But how do you make oats exciting and delicious? Well, I've got you covered. Let's talk about some mouth-watering recipes. How about starting with overnight oats? Mix a half cup of oats with almond milk, add a dash of cinnamon, and top it off with fresh berries. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and boom! You've got a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast in the morning. Or maybe you're into something warm and cozy. Try cooking oats with a scoop of protein powder and a spoonful of peanut butter. Trust me, it's like having dessert for breakfast, but healthy. Now, here's the part you don't want to miss. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll share a secret ingredient that will turbocharge your oats, making them even more effective for weight loss. You definitely don't want to miss it. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's transform your mornings and your weight loss journey together. See you next time.